Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can hide the last seen and the online status on the Telegram app. For that, make sure you have installed and updated the Telegram to enjoy the latest features of the Telegram. Open the Telegram app. You'll be guided to the main screen of the Telegram. Then on the top left corner, you can see the three-line icon. Just tap on it and you can see the setting options over here. Just tap on it and scroll down. You will see privacy and security option. Tap on it, then you'll be guided to this page where you can see the privacy option and you will find last seen and online option. Just tap on it. Since you can see over here that my last seen and online status can be seen by everybody. So here you can just tap on my contacts or nobody. If you want your contacts to allow to see the last seen and your online status, then just you can tap on my contacts, or else if you don't want to be seen by anyone else, then just you can tap on the nobody option. Or here another exception case is here on the below. You can see that you can just add the users so that your last seen on online status will be seen by that user only. So just tap on the tick option over on the top right, you can see of the screen. Just tap on it and then tap on OK. Your last seen and online status won't be shown to anybody. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.